Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a South Indian mixture at your home very easily. So for the South Indian mixture, what you need, here I have the save which we called omopudi, and here is the kara bundi, that is the bundi, and these two things are the homemade. If you want to buy from the shop, you can buy from the shop also. So yeah. So first thing, I'm going to add this save in the bowl, and the second thing I'm adding is this bundi, and the third thing I'm adding is this peanuts. So these peanuts I fried it in the oil, and I'm adding this one. And in this I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoon of red chili powder. So here I'm adding the red chili powder. And some, if you like spicy, you can add more red chili powder. And in this I'm going to add some salt according to your taste, how much salt you want in your mixture. So everything is ready guys, and in the last I'm going to add the curry leaves, which I'm going to fry it in the oil. So I'm frying the curry leaves in the oil. Why we are frying? Because it gives a nice taste and crunchiness also. So after adding the curry leaves, we have to mix all these things together. So this is very easy guys, but we have to prepare all the things. This mixture is the must in all the South Indian homes for the Diwali. Nice aroma. So I took 3 red chilies, and I'm going to add this one in the oil. So we have to fry this one also. So we have to fry this red chili until the chili become crisp, and then we have to add it in the mixture. So if you love spicy guys, add this red chili. So this is optional. And in the last I'm adding this asafoetida, the ink powder, which gives a nice taste in this mixture. Again I'm using my hand. We have to use our hand guys, then only it gives a nice taste. If you want to use spoon, you can use spoon also, that is up to your choice. So this is a quick video of how to make a South Indian mixture at your home with easily available ingredients. So yeah, so another recipe for Diwali. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.